Hi there, this is the second lesson in this scales course. In this lesson we are going to be looking at G major and the relative minor of E minor. Remember, the PDF to these scales are linked in the description and the pinned comment below, so go and find those if you want to download them or print them off to tick them off and follow along. If you've missed the other videos, I've left this whole playlist linked down below for you. So, as explained in the previous video, we're going to look at the major scale first, and in the previous video I gave you the scale formula, so tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So we're going to look at a major scale that has one sharp in it, so key signature that has one sharps today. So this is G major. If we go through why it has the F sharp in there using that formula, so G to A is tone, and then following on from A to B is a tone, B to C is a semitone, C to D is a tone, D to E is a tone, E to F sharp is a tone because a tone needs a note in the middle, so we have to change the F to the F sharp in order for it to comply. So that needs to be a tone, and then from F sharp back to G, that is a semitone. The reason why G major has an F sharp in it is because that's the note we had to change in order for it to comply with that rule. So we have G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and then back to G. So we're going to try the left hand as well, just one octave. So I'm going to descend it first. So in your left hand, now we know there's an F sharp in there, your second finger will need to play that. So we have 1, 2, 3 under. Use up all your fingers to G. Over with your 3, F sharp, G. We could try that in contrary motion, so remember the F sharp isn't going to appear at the same time in each hand, but the finger pattern will be symmetrical. So we have swing under, reposition, F sharp with the right hand, come back in, over with the 3s, sharp, back to G. We could try it in similar motion, so remember, same direction. This was again all explained in the first episode of this course challenge. So we have G's, A's, B's, the right hand moves under first on the 3, reposition, over with the 3, and the left hand, then F sharps together, back down, under in the left, over with the right, remember your nails need to be nice and short so you can maintain raised wrists, playing more on your fingertips and moving your other fingers out of the way so you don't overlap notes. And remember, don't be sat too low to the piano or too close to the piano. So to do 2 octaves, as explained in the previous episode again, is that 3-4-3 finger pattern. I'll do the right hand first, 3. Hand, 2 octaves, 3-4-3 again. figure out what the relative minor is. So the relative minor, again, as explained in the first episode, is the 6th note, starts from the 6th note of the major scale. In this case, it's E, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So E minor, E natural minor, has the exact same notes as G major. So it still has the F sharp in there, and then the rest of white keys. So the right hand will sound like this. And the left hand, if I ascend it first this time, so your 4th finger will play the F sharp. Try both hands in similar motion. Under, over, under, over. We can try it in contrary motion. So now we're going to change E natural minor into the harmonic minor. So if you remember from the last lesson, all that you do is you find the 7th note of that scale and you sharpen it. So it's an accidental or a modified note. So the 7th note is a D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So instead of playing the D, we're going to play the D sharp instead. So now we have this. Sharp E. We'll try it in the left hand. The finger pattern for E minor, both natural and harmonic, is also the 3-4-3 finger pattern. So you could try expanding it to 2 octaves if you wanted to. So that's it for this lesson. Remember to watch the first lesson because there's lots of things explained in the first lesson, which is a longer one, and then this will just be the format for the rest of the course scales challenge. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.